Hey guys, we wanted to give you another segment of the quarantine series, and today we want to talk about the BV and the TX and the CVX technology that we've come up with.
Yeah, so if you look at these reels, you got the Valiant reel here and you got the new Tern Star Drag reel here. You kind of see some similarities in the design. And if you look at kind of this, the radiuses on this side plate and the radius on this side plate, you kind of see the CVX technology.
So this is the BV and this is the TX. And you'll notice the CVX technology is all about curvatures, right? So if you had a flat object and it was thick, let's say, and you put pressure on it, it'd be fine. You made it thin, it would bend, right? But if you put curvature on it and you make it thin, and this is a pretty thin wall in here, then you'll get stiffness and strength because it's curvature, but it's still thin and light.
So we did that on all these new style reels that we came up with Valiant maybe a couple years ago. And we went on to a program we call Pro Engineer, which is a 3D modeling program, and literally went in there and thinned this out as much as we could go to, and then kind of put it into a model and pressurize the reel on the side plate to see how much pressure this reel could take. And we found out you could make it thin, super light, and actually stronger than it was before with our older style reels.
And I would say these reels are 30% lighter than any other reel that's on the market in its size range. So you got reels now that are very light, small, can handle 50, 60 pound braid to catch big fish on light reels. So you'll enjoy the fishing a lot longer when you have the right rod and a light reel. It's so enjoyable to use.
Sometimes people look at these reels and say, oh, you can't do that. You can't catch a big fish on these reels because they're so light. But we've proven it many times, and you go out in the water, you'll see what they do, and you'll be amazed. These things are built to last.
So guys, we know it's crazy out there, but hopefully these segments are bringing some fun out there for you guys, and we'll keep doing some more.
Fish hard.